So here is the trackball mechanism pulled from my 5126 backlit Macintosh portable. Here are the two rubber rollers that are degraded a bit. Still working, but problematic sometimes. What I define as the thickness, which is from here to here, is 3 millimeters. And the diameter, which is all the way from this side to over here, is about 4 millimeters. And then the diameter of this bar is about 1.0 millimeters. So if replacements can be found, then I would assume that the diameter of the center hole should be 0.9 or 0.8 smaller than 1.0 millimeters to make sure it grips on and stays on. Now, if I move them with my finger, you can see this little guy over here. It rolls, and it works because my finger is very grippy. And the same for this one, right? It rolls just along with my finger. These seem to be ball-bearing rollers, and they're pretty stiff. In fact, when I put on the actual trackball and roll it, the rubber rollers roll, but the metal guys, for the most part, don't. But anyway, if you just take a look at me rolling it, you'll see some problems, right? See? The left one over here, as I'm rolling it. There are times when it rolls, and other times when it doesn't roll, right? And that's because the rollers are degraded and only parts of them are touching, and there's little indentations, especially in this one. I think this is the worst one of all. So these two rollers really need to be replaced, but the question is with what? And some people have said 3D printing, but I honestly think it needs to be rubber or silicone in order to make a firm enough grip on this very smooth trackball. So if anyone has a source for rollers that would be of the right size, it would be great to know that.